YouTube, what's going on? I'm the almighty Wolf Soul Kicks 14. Welcome back to my channel. Here's another quick pickup, just a follow-up from the previous Fila pickup. These are the black versions that I spoke about in the previous video. If you have not had a chance to check out that video, please be sure to check that out. These are the Grant Hill 2 25th anniversary Filas, courtesy of Foot Locker, for the tender price of $150. All right. Without being too pedantic, without being too loquacious, let's go right into the action. From the previous video, you've already seen how this box looks. We're just gonna pop the top and throw it. Nothing too special. The paper this time is black, white, and gray-ish versus the blue from the previous. And here we have it. Once again, Fila has hit the mark with quality on first glance and first touch. All right. I did peek these out yesterday because they came in pretty fast. I think I ordered them on Wednesday and they showed up yesterday. In my honest opinion, that's some pretty fast shipping. Same translucent F for the brand Fila as on the white pair. 25. On this one, it's not patent leather in this section. Instead, it's the same thread of leather that makes up the majority of the upper and midsole. All right. This one comes in black. You got your 25th. Make sure we get that good. There we go. Like I said, for 150 bucks, pretty dope. And as I said on the previous video, these two pairs in particular, being that it's been 25 years since the great Grant Hill donned these on the basketball court before all the injuries, these are a must-have. In fact, let's get the pair from the previous video. Right. So as you can see, they did a pretty good job with their quality control. See those slight differences here. On the Fila branding, you got patent leather with red and white stitching. Here, you have all black leather with red and white stitching. All right. Same thing for the inside. Same thing for the inside. Boom. That's dope. Put these back. Let's get back to these black ones. As many will agree, the Grant Hill 2s deserves to be worn in some sort of tracksuit, not per se a basketball jersey and shorts or sweatpants, because that's pretty lazy. But when I step out in either pair, black or white, it's going to be a tracksuit on deck. All right, let's put this to the side and let's check out the other shoe. Man, in fact, just going back over my thoughts when I first seen them last night, after receiving them so fast from FedEx, I think I had a black pair of shoes that tried to mimic this one. It might have been either Russell's or Air Chickens or something. They were terrible. Like they were fake, stitched along the midsole like boots. And they had a strap around the ankle. They were terrible. But like I said, this was 95, 96, so you can't even Google half the shoes that we wore from Payless or wherever. But anyway, these are fire. Not much else to say. I just want to make sure that my followers get a chance to look at both shoes and see the greater quality that Fila's working with now. after being one of the oldest shoe brands on the market that gets the least amount of love. I think it's, back to what I said. When you have so many of those other Filas that come in 1,000 different colors, people forget that Grant Hill and a few others wore this particular pair, silhouette, colorway. And of course, this is Tupac's All Eyes on Me era. For those that are hip hop heads, as well as those of the sneakerheadism. So now that we've done our monologue, and again, minor flaws are to be expected. That's probably just coming from the factory, but overall, this shoe is still, in my honest opinion, a 10 out of 10. These are gonna last for a long time. Not too many shoes that we get now, even from Jordan Brand, has this type of quality and the type of nostalgic reaction that I have with the Grant Hill 2s. All right. And before I get too long-winded, good luck to everybody that's going to go after the Off-White 2 lows on Friday. I'm not sure if Sneakers app is going to be fair this week. I can't think of a time where they're actually fair to their loyal customers, but at some point they're going to have to allow people a better shot at Off-White and Travis Scott's and things like that versus just allowing us to get the GRs. But that's where the sneaker game is currently. But yeah, best of luck to everybody going after the Off-White 2s. This is the part of the video where we go to the on foot, and that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a comment, like, and sub up to the channel for more sneaker content. Y'all have a great day. Deuces.